Dongguan. Do you know what's new cable in the Hong Kong show? Now we want to introduce one of our top seller, Type-C to HD TV cable. It has 2 ports. Type-C connect to the smartphones or computers with Type-C port. HDMI connect to the TV, projector, or monitors. This cable can show your photos, videos, movies from your smartphone, computers to your TV or monitors, projectors. Now we test it. First, connect this HDMI cable to the TV. This cable is this smartphone is Samsung S9. Now connected. We watch the movies. Switch the screen. It's very high definition format.